On July 21st, Shaanxi Province in China was hit by a powerful wave of severe weather, with multiple cities experiencing torrential rain, violent thunderstorms, hailstorms, and strong winds. The extreme weather event affected a wide area, including Xian, Xianyang, Weinan, Baoji, and surrounding regions. Among them, Xian and Xianyang suffered some of the most noticeable impacts, with heavy rainfall, damaging winds, and large hail creating dangerous conditions for residents. Meteorological authorities issued multiple severe weather warnings as powerful convective systems developed across the region. Forecasts warned that parts of Shaanxi could experience short-term intense rainfall, thunderstorms, hail, and severe wind gusts, with some areas facing winds reaching around level 11. The rapidly developing storm system brought sudden changes in weather conditions, turning clear skies into dark storm clouds within a short period of time. In Cien, the provincial capital, heavy rain began falling rapidly, with large amounts of rainfall pouring down in a short period. Several urban roads experienced water accumulation, forcing vehicles to slow down and making travel difficult in some areas. Visibility dropped sharply as intense rain swept through the city, while pedestrians rushed to seek shelter from the sudden downpour. Videos circulating online showed dark clouds covering the sky, intense rainfall hitting streets, and strong winds shaking trees and street structures.
This is Xian三桥建成路附近，看，今晚6点半左右，一场强对流天气，狂风暴雨，把车子砸了。能过不？
Some areas experienced temporary flooding, while residents reported that the storm arrived suddenly, transforming hot summer weather into a violent thunderstorm within minutes. Along with the heavy rain, parts of Cien were also affected by powerful thunderstorm wind. Trees swayed violently under the strong gusts, with some branches broken by the force of the wind. Outdoor signs, construction barriers, and temporary structures were also reportedly affected in some locations. Thunder and lightning continued throughout the storm, creating a tense atmosphere across the city. However, neighboring Xianyang experienced some of the most severe conditions during this weather event. Footage from affected areas showed hailstones falling heavily from the sky, with some reportedly reaching the size of eggs. The large hailstones struck vehicles, rooftops, roads, and farmland, producing loud impacts. Many cars parked outdoors were damaged, with some owners reporting dents and broken vehicle parts after the storm passed. Agriculture in affected areas also suffered losses. Orchards and farmland were struck by the hail, damaging fruit trees and crops. Apples, grapes, peaches, corn, and other agricultural products were among the areas of concern. Farmers rushed outside after the storm to inspect damage, with some crops reportedly damaged by the combination of hail, strong winds, and heavy rain. At the same time, powerful thunderstorm winds swept across parts of Shaanxi. Localized wind gusts reportedly reached around level 11, strong enough to knock down trees, damage outdoor structures, and scatter debris across streets. Some areas required emergency cleanup efforts to remove fallen branches and restore normal traffic conditions. Beyond Xian and Xianyang, other cities were also affected by the severe weather system. Residents across the region captured dramatic scenes of lightning, dark storm clouds, heavy rain, and hail falling onto streets. The widespread impact highlighted the intensity of this summer storm system. Authorities urged residents to remain alert and take precautions during severe weather conditions. People were advised to stay away from large trees, outdoor signs, temporary structures, and areas prone to flooding. As of the latest available information, authorities have not released a complete assessment of the total damage caused by the storm. Local departments are continuing inspections, including damage assessments, road clearing, drainage operations, and assistance for affected communities. Weather experts noted that summer is a period when Shaanxi frequently experiences strong convective weather due to the interaction of warm and cold air masses. Such conditions can quickly produce thunderstorms, hail, heavy rainfall, and damaging wind. Residents are advised to continue monitoring weather warnings and remain prepared for possible severe weather events in the coming days.